Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to send Chainlink link from your Trezor hardware wallet to your Revolut account in 2025. Whether you're looking to cash out, diversify, or just manage your assets more flexibly, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Trezor wallet with some Link tokens, the Trezor Suite app installed on your computer, and a verified Revolut account that supports cryptocurrencies. Always double-check that your Trezor is connected via USB and unlocked with your PIN for security. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite on your computer and connect your Trezor device. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Chainlink link from your list of assets. This interface is user-friendly and keeps your funds extra secure since everything happens on the hardware wallet itself. Next, in Step 2, head over to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto section, select Receive, and choose Chainlink. Copy the wallet address provided. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any mishaps. Back in Trezor Suite, click on Send for your Link tokens. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. In 2025, expect Ethereum network fees for Link to be more efficient thanks to upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, but still, aim for off-peak times to save. Step 3. Hit Confirm on your Trezor device itself, never on the computer screen, to authorize the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen with all the details, so take a moment to verify. Once sent, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the tokens to appear in Revolut, depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses multiple times to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now in Revolut, ready for spending or trading. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.